Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to download furniture mod in Minecraft. Mr. Crayfish's furniture mod adds 80 plus functional furniture pieces to Minecraft, perfect for decorating your builds. Firstly, go to the CurseForge page and click Files, find your Minecraft version and download the mod. Download the Forge installer that matches the mod version and run it, then choose Install Client. Now open the Minecraft launcher, Installations, then click the folder icon next to Forge. In the .minecraft folder, open or create a mods folder. Move the cfm.jar file into the mods folder. Then use the Forge profile and click play. You're ready to decorate. If you want to install the server, stop your server, change the jar version to match Forge Plus, your mod version. Go to FTP file access mods folder. Upload the cfm.jar file and start your server again. The mod is now active on your server in both survival and creative mode. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.